few days ago, I decided that I was going to solve a Rubik's Cube. I went downstairs, grabbed my Rubik's Cube, and I started to just twist it and turn it. And I realized I could only solve half of it. So I gave up. I didn't want anything to do with it. Except for a few days ago, I picked it up and I watched a few YouTube videos and I finally figured out how to do it. So if you gave it to me, all scrambled up, I could solve it right then and there. So I decided to start timing myself. And well, the first time I got like 2 minutes and 9 seconds, which isn't that good, but I decided to film myself and time it. And this time, I decided to make it my goal that I was gonna make it under 2 minutes.